This is not a diss song. This is a confession from a believer, still kneeling, but asking questions. Zakawana altar pa stock exchange, mutumwa ava broker achitengesa my blessings. By very rava constitution ye busy misi Mari ava brand munundi ye shareholder. Takati tora wristband, tora anointed oil, tora anointed water, tora prophecy. Tenga VIP ticket, kupinda kudenga kwava fast track lane. Kano sina mari, gara puma shure line. They say, touch not the anointed, but who touches the hungry? They say, judge not the prophet, but who judges injustice is God for say. Is his power on action? Jesus healed for free in Galilee. Now miracles need a transaction. Altar, bus stop, exchange. Holy water in plastic bottles. Is heaven now a membership club? Or is faith just another hustle? Buya vangu vaipurezwa nimuna matu pasina swipe card, pasina private hotline. Nasiva na maivari mugeto, bachitengeza huku kutiva wane breakthrough session. Vaka vaka mega church, mega house, mega car, but mega hunger is still in the street. They preach prosperity in private jets, while widows count coins for school fees. They say, sow to reap, but fields belong to a few. They say, God bless the giver, but the giver stays in the slum. A one-on-one no mwari, hardy my secretary. No booking fee, no prophet itinerary. Nginerangu bi, nginerangu izwi. Kananda chema mwari anonzwa directly. They sell one-on-one with the man of God, but one-on-one with God is free. No VIP pass, no appointment letter, just tears, knees and honesty. Vakapinda mu politics, vakati regime ya kanaka. Yet vanu vakawanda vakatsakatika, vamwe vakauraiwa. They bless the system that oppress the poor, just to protect their kingdom and their brand. They prayed for the oppressor, so the oppressor protects the church. They quoted Romans 13 while blood dried quietly on the church porch. They said, peace, peace, when there was no peace. They said, submit to authority, while authority buried the youth. Is God forsaken? Is holiness a subscription? If Jesus flipped tables in the temple, what would he do to our mega churches? Altar, past stock exchange, faith traded like Bitcoin. If salvation needs payment, where does the poor man sign in? Didn't wanna we Zimbabwe, didn't want my wevu. Bichiri kuja mwari, asihanditi kuvunza munhu. Chokwadi hachiti mivunzo, hema zinoda silence. Jesus walked barefoot with fishermen, not armored with SUVs and sirens. He slept on boats, not penthouses. He fed crowds, he didn't charge entrance. They built empires in his name, but he built people, not brands. forget the broken in the streets. God is not a product. Faith is not a contract. Truth is not a tender. Salvation has no receipt. Altered by stock exchange. Prophet, I see, oh, but the kingdom of heaven was never a corporation. If God charges, how will the poor be saved? If faith meets payment, where does the orphan go? I'm still a believer, but I'm not blind. If the altar became a market, who is really worshipped? God or man?